Day 9 in the hab. God, it's getting boring. I decided, what the hell, I need some time for myself. So I kicked all of my little mates out, so they'll come in later, no doubt, once they've found something to do. And checked all the systems. Oxygen's fine, water's fine, usual stuff. But it does get boring when you're the only person left on the planet. So I discovered paper. I thought, right, I've got a lot of time, let's practice folding paper. So what can I do? Well, the first thing I did today was I did a little fishy, that cute little angel fish. And then I thought, right, let's do some birds. So the seagull, isn't that cute? And I thought, right, well, the hell, I'm also a great fan of pterodactyls, so I did a little pterodactyl. That's my own little design, well, my variation on design. Got into some flowers, did an iris. And then I thought, what the hell, let's do a 5-pointed star flower. Isn't that cute? I thought, let's do a John Montrell design. He does that dragon, so I did his little that dragon. That lovely little dragon. I thought, if he can do dragons, then I can design my own dragon. So, there's my little Night Stalker dragon. Isn't it so cute? See pie. I thought, let's get a bit flash. Let's do a lizard. You'll notice this one's got lots and lots and lots and lots of toes, but it's just showing off. Well, I thought, right, well, if you can do lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of toes, what I found, this little critter came in from outside. Centipede. Ooh. Better put him down, he looks nervous. So, that's what I've been doing today. Oh, and I've got some messages from people from back on Mars. Thank you for them. It was actually quite appreciated. Nice to know that there's actually people out there. To the person that asked, yes, I still have marking. I have not finished all the marking yet. I have nightmares that marking will never, ever, ever, ever end. But if all else fails, I'd use a suggestion that a friend of mine gave. She suggested I look at the student's last mark, throw a D6. If it's 1, 2 or 3, I give them a grade lower. So if it's a B, I give them B minus. And if it's 4, 5, 6, then I give them a grade higher than their last mark, so like a B plus. I think that will save my marking load considerably. So anyway, I'd better get back to marking. I'm still awaiting rescue, so 9 days in, 21 to go. I better let the guys back in. They seem to be knocking at the hab door right now, so I will see you again soon.